What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip. All right, guys, we got the clock official up here with the countdown to December 12th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we're going to go over why that's a very important date in today's video, along with information on MMAT, MMTLP, and Dbgi. So we touched base on that in the video earlier this morning. Comment below, were you able to get in it first thing this morning? I'm still currently having it on my watch list. I have not made any trades in or out of that stock yet, but it ran pretty hard today. We're going to cover that as well. So we got the timer going, guys. Future meta millionaires, as we will be celebrating here. And there you can see the whole thing with the countdown timer ready to go. So we'll check back on that. Have that up in every video. All right. MMTLP today down 1.79%. We'll refresh this, make sure nothing updates. Let's look at what opened at $10.03. Previous close $10.03, opened at $10.79. And we had the day's range of a low of $9.61 and a high of $10.98. And the average volume is 965,000. We trade at 1.649 million. Now, volume there is pretty interesting. Now, we got a post here from here on StockTwits. Interesting seeing a 405,000 share order getting filled after hours in the OTC. And here we'll blow this up so you can see it. You can see the OTC stops trading at 1600 hours military time. And hang on a second. Get that adjusted there. Boom. And right there at 1601, literally a 405,000 order got filled after hours. So that will not show on this price. So I'm assuming tomorrow we are going to open very strong with that order being placed. So we'll see how the volume takes on to that there. So like I said, this won't show that on this price, but we'll see that tomorrow. All right, currently as of the record of this video, currently MetaMaterials is at $1.82. It was down 5.73% during the regular trading hours, up about 0.5% after hours. And looking here at the volume, average volume 10.1 million. We traded 9.75 million, and this could still keep going, guys, because it's 5 o'clock and we still got after hours trading on MetaMaterials. So we'll see what happens. Okay, and we got this post out here where we got the huge update from TD Ameritrade, no trading after the 12th. And we got John here on Twitter saying he just spoke with TD Ameritrade support regarding when shares of MMTLP will stop trading. They verified it will no longer be trading on the date of the record, 12/12 of 22, which is why we got the countdown here set up. Let's get that back to full screen. And there we go. That's right. So that is what the counter is set to here on Eastern Standard Time. And we'll have that up, keeping an eye on it. Now, this is going to have weekends and stuff like that. It won't take that out. We just got the regular countdown from now till then. There we go. Okay. So thank you for John for sharing that. And here we got copy and paste, William Morgan. Great post here reflecting about that 400,000 share order after hours. He gives his thoughts and opinion. And let's go over it. MMTLP is OTC. It doesn't trade after hours. This was manipulation. Volume was 1.65 million with them posting a 405,000 of it after hours to suppress price action. They will manipulate it as expected this week until they receive margin calls. Expect FUD to confuse and scare you. Don't fall for it. Only get your information from reliable sources. Combat any FUDs you see online. Take the time at least, laugh at it all, and call FUD. Let them know you don't believe it. I could not agree any more at this post than I do. One thing I like to say is, I think this was brought up in the MetaFam chat. When you start seeing all this FUD, all these people out there trying to tell you that it's worth nothing, you know you're on to something big. And that's the way to sum it up. And I look at it as the more FUD I see, the more people trying to tell me I should sell what I have, and my viewers and subscribers should be selling. That means we're going to be making more money. That's all that means. Why would they care what we do with our money, guys? Why do they care what we do? Exactly. So keep that in mind. Like I said, do what you want to do. You're the one pressing the buy and sell button. But I look at it, more FUD, the better. All right, over here on Stocks Era, looking at the borrower fee, there's only 7,000 shares available at a 28%, and that has been updated here since after hours. All right, going over a couple posts here on Twitter to keep you all up to date of everything going on. Allie from Trading Secrets says he's hearing the first trade brokerage are stopping UK investors from buying. Have the gains begun? I got a post here from earlier today that my plan is to buy a few shares every day on TradeStation to see if the buy button doesn't get removed. My small order filled instantly. So I bought 25 shares at $10.09. And I will be 25 shares at $10.09. I will be going in buying somewhere between, I don't know, 10 to 50 shares a day. And I plan on doing that every trading day because I want to make sure that I'm able to still buy this. I'll post this up every day on Twitter to let you know that TradeStation you can still buy. I just don't have the time to call Fidelity and wait unless I have a complete day off of work. But I just been doing it with TradeStation, so we'll see. TradeStation does let me set higher sell limits. I can tell you that Fidelity let me do a $60 sell limit at the max. I tried $61. It would not let me. Fidelity let me set it at $60. TradeStation will let me do like $1,000, guys. No, it wasn't 1,000. I think it was 100. I tried 100 and let me do 100. I tried 1,000. It would not let me do that. So I'll keep you up to date on the sell limits and stuff that goes up there as well. We got Dr. Stonk out here for a great post talking about the Schwab short seller fee rate for today, 11.28. MMTLP is at 20.5%, and MMAT is at 27.5%, and it says not available. So there you go. Hard to get, guys. Also for MMAT, great post here. They did retweet this. MetaMaterials retweeted this. Mitsubishi FA Europe, guys. Our industrial automation technologies will help increase lithium battery performance. Learn how our partnership with MetaMaterials and DuPont films will create safer, more economical, energy efficient, and lightweight batteries. So that's awesome that Mitsubishi themselves tagged in MetaMaterials. That's exactly what we want to see. Probably one day we'll see Tesla in there. I don't doubt it. It's just a matter of when. All right. Real quick, ticker symbol DBGI had a fantastic run today, as you see. During the regular trading hours, 20.8%. Currently here, as I'm recording this video after hours, it is 2%. Up huge today. You might as well say about 24, 25%. This baby has some wild swings. Keep in mind, guys, this stock only has 540,000 shares outstanding, which is so low. Very low float, 540,000 shares outstanding. And this thing traded 23.4 million shares a day, guys. And the average volume is 525,000. So that tells you that the volume went like 50x today almost. Somewhere in there. 40, 50x of the volume went today on DBGI. Now, I did post a video out at 9 a.m. this morning. If you caught that, if we look here today, it literally opened at $6.30, and my video last night was the $6.31. So if you caught that first thing in the morning, you could have made some good money because as you see here, up about 25%. I have to disclose, I have not took a position yet in this ticker symbol DBGI. I will keep it on the watch list. It ran up to like look at the swing here today. The day's range, a low of 629 and a high of 939. That is a wild swing of almost, well, $3.10. And the big thing about this is kind of like MMTLP Part 2. The CEO here, quick summary, has basically said he would consider taking the company private if he doesn't get the prices that, suits him. And if he would take the company private right now, as this article came out just the other day, it's worth $45 million right now, which would be $83 a share, guys. So that's why there's a lot of excitement around it. The threat of going private here in this article. If you want to see the full DD of us going over the article, that's in the previous video. I will link that down below. But yeah, and you can see here, the best example of private strategy is MetaMaterials and the parent company MMTLP with the S1 to go private. And if this company's threatening to do the same thing, and this thing can be worth $83, wow. Big gains on that bad boy. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. And I will catch you all in the next video, guys. We got to look at it one more time. Peace.